Take a ride in the 2019 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, passenger airbag, MP3 player, child safety locks, bed liner, auxiliary audio input. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.